Hi, I'm Komal, sleep technologist at Malvern Sleep Clinic. This is one of our titration rooms. We have installed a custom-made aerosol removal device in this room to remove potentially dangerous aerosols coming from the CPAP masks. This device sucks in the aerosols from the CPAP masks and throws them out in the air above the roof of the building. The remaining aerosols are obstructed to settle down. This is our Air Pura UV600 HEPA filter. It sucks, cleans and disinfects the air with its germicidal UV bulb. The air volume of this room is 1231 cubic feet and the speed of the system is 500 CFM. Combined ECH from Air Pura UV600 and HVAC system is 38 ACH, which is much higher than the recommended level of ACH required to get rid of any potential COVID-19 aerosol. We have installed three 500 CFM exhaust fans, one each in reception area, in tech area and in kitchen area. 2 washrooms and 3 setup rooms have also been installed with 100 CFM exhaust fans each. The total capacity of these exhaust fans is 2000 CFM, which is able to give us an ACH of 48. Between 7 to 9 a.m. every morning, our exhaust fans will be kept on to clean and disinfect the clinic air. Thank you. Hi, I'm Komal, sleep technologist at Malvern Sleep Clinic. In our setup rooms, we use exhaust fan with 100 CFM and Air Pura UV600 HEPA filter to keep air clean and disinfected during the patient setup procedure.